Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to change app icon on Instagram. This is actually a new feature on Instagram for only teenage accounts. So if you're not making use of a teen account, you can make use of your kids account, your nephew account, your friend's account that have a teen account and you can trust them. In order to change your app icon on Instagram, the first step you have to take is to click on this Instagram option found at the top, drag it. You will see 6 different app icon. We have the floral, we have the slim, we have the cosmic and the fire. You just have to click on the particular one that you wish to save as your app icon. Click on it and save it. So guys, that is it on how to change app icon on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.